Hey guys, it's Jenny per Realtor with Presidio Real Estate. I am here in a Vineyard home in Utah to show you the specs that we're looking at to see if it's something that you would buy for your second home or your first home. I'm kind of curious to know what you would like. We're sitting on almost 4,000 square feet in a beautiful park just right across the street with 4 bedrooms and 2 baths. Come check out the square footage and tell me if you like this house. Come on in, guys. Some features to pay attention to is the new carpet and the new flooring in here as you come on in. One thing I love about this house is it is a beautiful home for a small family, but your master has vaulted ceilings and it's on the main floor, which means you're close to all of your little ones in the bedrooms adjacent to this. Oh hey, welcome back to the kitchen. Look at this amazing space that you have here. But you gotta come check out something that I think is actually something that make me wanna buy this house. And that is this gigantic pantry as you walk in. Everybody needs a large pantry for a growing family, and this house has the room for it. Now I'm pretty sure you can see yourself in this house, so let me know if you're interested. I can give you a tour of the home or show homes similar to this, because realtors definitely paint the picture of you living your dreams in your first time home.